We all know tattoo is a form of body modification where a design is made by inserting inks, dyes, and various pigments. These tattoos are either permanent or temporary, and it will be into the dermis layer of the skin to change the pigment. While we speak about the tattoos, we can bring the different type of tattoos under three categories. One is purely for decorative purpose with no specific meaning, and another one is symbolic where with a specific meaning, and a pictorial, a specific person or item, or it could be anything. As we are in the modern era, we are about to create the fourth category, touchpad. Welcome to Facts of the Fact Smart Tattoos. Nowadays, we are using so many gadgets to control a device. Like to access a computer, we are using keyboard, mouse, etc. Same like that, to control a smartphone, we are using many gestures, voice commands, even more to simplify our work. What if our body turns into a touchpad where you can control your smartphones? Quite interesting, right? Google is working on smart tattoos that, when applied to the skin, will transform the human body into a living touchpad via embedded sensors. Part of Google research, the wearable project is called Skin Marks that uses rub-on tattoos. The project is an effort to create the next generation of wearable technology devices. So, how this technology will work? The sensor-driven tattoos will be applied to a part of the body. The sensor can then be triggered by traditional touch or swipe gestures like we perform on our smartphone screens. There are a few gestures that are more specific to working on the skin surface. You could squeeze the area around the tattoo or bend your fingers or limbs to activate the sensors. The researchers at Saarland University in Germany wrote in a white paper that the benefit of using skins as an interface is tapping into the fine motor skills that human beings naturally have. The project is partially funded through Google Faculty Research Awards. Interacting with your own skin and limbs also mean you can do it without looking. These tattoos are made by screen printing conductive ink onto tattoo paper. Some of the prototype tattoos including cartoon drawings or light up displays. Through a vastly reduced tattoo thickness and increased stretchability, a skin mark is sufficiently thin and flexible to conform to irregular geometry like flexure lines or protruding bones. This skin marks technology is being developed by Google and researchers at Saarland University in Germany and uses a small patch loaded with sensors. Skin marks use conductive ink which is printed onto tattoo paper and then applied to the side of one's finger or knuckles. The main advantages of having this technology is like they can be applied to one's skin and can perform reading, swiping and pinching gestures. It creates a more natural experience. Bending and squeezing one's hand is more intensive and could make interfacing with technology easier. Let's welcome the modern era.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like the video, share to your friends and subscribe for future videos.